guys, today welcome to my video anyways, and don't like do that noise, just don't panoodin yun. And don't care about that noise, that was just my TV anyways, so yeah. Anyways, it's morning siya.
Magbubunga na ang aking pagsisikap at unti-unti nang matutupad ang aking mga pangarap.
Okay, time to go. Okay, put this back. Time to wow, yeah. Next, I'm gonna put my here. This. Next, Champion sa Bounty. Don't remember that song. Time to put this back. Turn next. Oh yeah. I have to brush and buga. Oh no, there is a lot of toothpaste in my teeth. In my mouth. I'm gonna wipe it up. Now, let's go. Honey, wake up, huh? Okay, bye. Okay, Mom. Okay, wear your clothes now. Mama. Okay, now wear your clothes. Okay, Mom. Hi, Mom. Whatever. Mom always wants me to get that. I'm not even a cleaner or something. I am just somebody or something. I don't know. Just get dressed up. Next. Anyways, I'm gonna brush my hair and straighten it. And the rest, my face. Mom can't do this because he has eyes. Okay. Mom, I'm done. Okay, now you get to that. Okay, fine. Since you have whatever gym class and go pack. Whatever. Fine, Mom. Where's your gym class things? I can't find my demons for the gym class. Oh. This is it. Mom, it's kind of awkward. Okay, time to put these. Now I'm gonna put these right back here. Okay, now go pack all your things. Fine. Here's your dummet since no babysitter here. Okay, Mom. Fine. Since I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm putting this. I think I need my hairbrush.
Showtime pa ba?
First I need my hairbrush. Next I need
Ayaw mo.
baka mainit. Okay, time to go.
Bakit ka dito ba? Ayaw mo tulog. Bibilang kita ng 5. Isa.
Okay, let's put this back right here. Nagtatawa mo ka, video ako.
Kaya naman, I will do my best.
Charge mo na lang